Alright, busting 2 boxes of Limited Football 2013 for Mikescca. Thanks again, Mike. He's the only one that's tapped into this case at all so far, actually. This is his fourth and fifth boxes from the case. Good luck. Whoa. What's that? Alright, here we go. Walter Payton. There's like, saw like multiple things going on one card. Eli. Alex Smith. Jake Plummer. And that's what I saw. Look at that. Robert Woods, E.J. Manuel, and Marquise Goodwin. Pen Pals triple. Nice. Not numbered. And nice. So all on card, too. All on card. Alfred Morris jersey, 39 out of 49. And Vance McDonald, jumbo jersey auto, 92 and 99. Box Joe's. Much thicker. See some patchwork in here. That pen pal is pretty thin. Maybe that's why. Oh yeah, look at that. Some thick boys in there. I think all three of them are like patch sized, if I'm not mistaken. Good luck! Let's hope. Here we go. Steve Young. Danny Amendola. Michael Vick. Brad Sorensen. Number to 10. C.J. Spiller. 3 out of 10. It's a pretty low numbered patch card. More Bills love. Game Day, Sam Bradford, 46 out of 49. Thick like a patch, but it's just a jersey. And Niall Davis, one color patch, number to 299, Phenom. Niall. Alright. That's it. Thanks, Mike. Nice pen pals.